In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate Protonmail account. We'll walk through the exact places in Protonmail where you prepare for reactivation by securing your recovery information, and specifically how to download your recovery file. This file is essential for getting back into an account if you're ever locked out, so following along carefully now can save you a lot of stress later. First, open your browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that the connection is secure. Once Protonmail loads and you're in the interface, look toward the top right of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your entry point to settings. Click the gear to open the quick settings panel. Depending on your theme or screen size, the icon may be subtle, but hovering over it will confirm it's the settings area. From the quick settings panel, choose all settings. This takes you to the full settings dashboard where every account option lives in one place. It's much easier to find the recovery tools from here than from the quick panel. Next, select the recovery section. This is the area dedicated to helping you regain access if you forget your password or can't sign in for any reason. Protonmail uses end-to-end encryption, which is great for privacy, but it also means you need specific recovery information to restore access. The recovery section centralizes those tools, so you're not hunting around later when time matters. Now scroll down until you see the option to download recovery file and click it. Proton will generate and download a file that's tied to your account's encrypted data. This file is what helps you reactivate access securely if you're locked out. Treat it like a key, keep it private, don't share it, and never store it in a place others can access. A good practice is to save it in a secure offline location, such as an encrypted external drive, or within a trusted encrypted password manager that supports secure document storage. Consider naming the file clearly with the service and the date so you know what it is later, and keep a second secure backup in a separate safe place. After downloading, verify the file is actually saved where you intended. That's it. By going to protonmail.com, opening the gear icon, choosing all settings, navigating to recovery, and downloading your recovery file, you've set yourself up for smooth reactivation if you ever need it. If Proton updates its interface, the recovery section will still be under settings, so the path remains essentially the same. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store that file safely right now.